Indian Government Mint, wholly owned by Government of India. There are some vacancies. This is the advertisement number 01/2020. The place of posting will be in Cherlupalli, that is Hyderabad. This is the official site of Indian Government Mint, Hyderabad. There are few vacancies regarding. This is the official site of Indian Government Mint. The vacancies are junior office assistant at B3 level and supervisor official language at A1 level. You will also see the eligibility, and this is the official site where you can apply. These are the important dates. The official notification released on 1/7/2020. The online application link will start from 3rd July 2020. The last date for application date is 31 July 2020. The tentative date of examination either may be in August or September 2020, and date of skill test for post 1, that is October or November. These are the vacancies. For junior office assistant, for unreserved category there are 6 vacancies. For scheduled caste 1 vacancy. For OBC non-creamy layer, that is 2 posts. For EWS 1 post, total of 10 posts. For ex-serviceman there is 1 vacancy. For PWD there is 1 vacancy. This is for junior office assistant. And for supervisor official language A1 cadre, there is only 1 post for unreserved category. This is regarding the number of vacancies for different posts. And pay scale for junior office assistant will be from 8,350 to 20,470. It is pre-revised, yet to be revised. The pay scale is yet to be revised. This is a B3 level. For supervisor, the pay scale is around 26,000 to rupees 1 lakh. This is a great opportunity. These are the eligibility conditions who can apply. A candidate must be Indian or Nepal or Bhutan. And regarding the age limit, for post 1, that is junior office assistant, the age limit should be 18 to 28 years for unreserved category. This is the date of birth. They should not exceed this date of birth. For OBC, they should have a date of birth of 1/8/1989. For SC ST, this is the date of birth. So for supervisor, the age limit is between 18 to 30 years. For junior office assistant, the age limit is between 18 to 28 years. And there is also relaxation in the age. For OBC, that is 28 plus 3, 31 years. And for SC ST, 28 plus 5. That is the age limit for different categories. So this is the eligibility qualifications, essential qualifications. For junior office assistant for B3 level, the eligibility is just a graduate in any stream with 55% of marks, and they should have a computer knowledge with a typing speed of 30 words per minute in English or Hindi. That is 40 words per minute in Hindi or 30 words per minute as per the requirement. So this can be an achievable task. If you just practice, you can get this speed. For supervisor level, that is A1 level, the master's degree from recognized university in Hindi or English as a subject at graduation level Hindi in case of candidates is a postgraduate in English and vice versa, and also 1 year experience, so this is not for freshers. Desirable knowledge of Sanskrit and another modern languages, and proficiency in working on computers. So supervisor level is not for freshers. Only junior office assistant is for freshers. So any graduate is eligible with just 55% marks with a computer typing knowledge of 40 words per minute and 30 words per minute. This is regarding if you have CGPA criteria. 6.75 CGPA equal to 60% according to this notification. 6.25% is equal to 55%. 5.75 CGPA is 50%. This is regarding the notification. The online examination for phase 1 online examination, this is the scheme of examination. There are 4 sections which consist of 50 questions each. General awareness 50 questions, logical reasoning 50 questions for 50 marks, and English language 50 questions for 50 marks, quant for 50 questions 50 marks. The time duration is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. The minimum qualification or the minimum qualifying mark is 55% for general EWS, and OBC category just 50%, and for SC ST 45%. This is the minimum qualifying mark in order to be eligible for the next phase. And candidates who qualify in online examination with minimum qualifying mark as stated will be eligible for phase 2 of the selection process. And phase 2 examination is a typing test. Those candidates who qualify online examination as per the above standards, they are called for typewriting test, that is English typing or Hindi typing 40 words per minute, or for Hindi typing just 30 words per minute. So after you qualify phase 1 examination, they will be called for phase 2 examination, that is typing test. This is for junior officer assistant, and the scheme of examination for the post of supervisor, that is post code 2, will be same but a different number of questions. General awareness 25 questions 25 marks, general Hindi 50 questions 50 marks, general English 50 questions 50 marks, and time test of domain knowledge 75 questions 75 marks. Time duration of 2 hours. And detailed syllabus, everything is given. The minimum qualifying mark is 55% for supervisor OL level. This is regarding the examination center. The test will be conducted in Hyderabad only. If the number of applicants exceeds 5,000, then they will think of conducting the test in these particular states: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. So if the number of applicants exceeds 5,000, then the test will be conducted in different areas of India. This is the application fees and intimation charges for SC, ST, OBC, SC, ST, PWD and ex-serviceman. The application fees is 200 rupees and plus some GST, and for general OBC, EWS, application fees is around 600. And fee once paid will not be refunded at any circumstances. So candidates can apply from this link. If you click this link, you will be directed to this page. This is the official site of Indian Government Mint Hyderabad, and if you go to careers, just click on this particular area, careers. You will be directed to this page where you can see the recruitment for the post of junior assistant B3 level, supervisor A1 level, and application for the post of junior office assistant and supervisor will go live on 3/7/2020. So from tomorrow the link will be updated here, and remember the last date for application is 31st July 2020 for both posts. We just click view details here. This is a document. Official notification will be opened here as we have seen just now. So please do apply and practice typing if you want to score good in typing. That is phase 1 and phase 2. If you're first to my channel, I request you all to subscribe to my channel. This is Wi-Fi says Study Karo, where I do editorials daily and job updates and interesting facts and career opportunities and some technical things. So please do subscribe and share and comment how do you felt this video. Please do share with your friends. If you are eligible, please do apply. If you are not eligible, please do share with your friends. This is regarding the government job. And that's it for today. Please do comment how do you feel. Please do share with your friends. Thank you.